Here we have the old race chip. Made in Germany, simply faster. We shall see. We've got to get in the box. Get rid of that. Instructions. Actual chip itself. These are cables. In this box, all that's in here is just cable ties and a very small screwdriver for setting this control unit, which is there. It's normally on number 3 is the factory setting. First thing to do, remove the TSI cover. Just held by 4 rubbers. Just like that. So I believe this is the plug where one of them connects there, but then we need to also get to underneath for the boost pressure. So it means putting it on the ramps and taking the bottom panel off. We need to remove this cover with the screws here. I think there's 8. It shows you in the instructions. The instructions is very clear. And then we'll remove this cover and see what we've got behind it. We've got the cable off. Right, tight little so-and-so. Best thing was to get a little screwdriver in there to push that clip lever down to release, but it was tight. I dropped it down from the top. I think the best thing here is probably cable tight there, out the way of the fan, and hopefully these 2 cables are gonna reach. You want to keep it out away from any real heat source and for anything that may catch or chaff it, so I think we'll go for that. Both plugs in, make sure you hear a definite click to know they have locked in. I'll sort the wiring out once I've established exactly how I'm going to run it. It looks a bit twisted at the moment, so I might have to have a little think on that bit there. Yeah, I need to disconnect that, start again. Make sure it clicks into place like that. Still not happy with that. I'm going to have to probably tie it somehow like that, possibly up through there. So I'll have to have a look. Now this is what they call in the book the manifold absolute pressure. Just pull that little clip out like that to unlock this one. Push down and pull. There we go. So when you push down, you can move. Right, it's easy peasy. Same with these. Just plug in, make sure they click into place. Then I will have to set out the wiring. I like to put a bit of Vaseline on, keep corrosion away. So it's just a question now, plugging the new ones in, click that into place to lock it in. This then clicks into that. There with that, push that in to lock it into place. Now, sort out how I'm going to run this lot and tidy it up. As you can see, I've tied it to the back of the fan. It's pretty solid, it's going nowhere, is that? And then further up the top. As you can see from above where it goes, just got to trim that one off. wire on there, tidy that up a bit, so that's better. That's the bottom one, no problem with that one now. Through it there, and I'll put the box here somewhere. And that's how I've got it. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how it's supposed to be, which looks a bit untidy, that one going down to the bottom to me. It's a lot better fastened to that arm with a fan and coil up there than that. I've just disconnected that area so I can get this wire under there. To get this plug out, this puts back into normal mode, so you can remove your box and put it back into normal without having to remove all the wires. You just pull that out like that, pull the plug out and put the race box tuning chip in there. Well, I don't really like fastening it to the battery cable, but there's no way you can fasten it to anything else, and this is according to the manual where it goes. And it's pretty secure, it's not going anywhere. I just have to wait and see, hopefully. That was a good one. It's just a question now of putting everything back, putting in the trail. It's just the same as you took apart, just in reverse order, and that's it. Done. Test drive. This is the routing of the cable. I didn't do it as the manual said. I think that's a lot better. There we are on the top. Down there, under the pipe, and unfortunately I've had to strap it to the battery leads. It's firm, but there's no way you can put it anywhere else, and allegedly that's where it goes according to the manual, just tucked there.